So for today's operations, we're working with 51st Chemical Detachment, the ROK Forces Chemical Unit, and ourselves, 61st Chemical Company. We're doing a joint recon exercise where they have their reconnaissance and our reconnaissance assets doing multiple reconnaissance missions. And as they come off the line on their reconnaissance missions, they're going through joint decon lines. So first off, we have the U.S. line set up with augmentees from the Iraq Army so they can learn how our positions are ran, and they can learn our TTPs and what kind of equipment we use. And then we switch off after each iteration. We will jump onto their line, learn their TTPs and how their equipment is used for decon operations. In conjunction with that, we have 501st MI Brigade here. We are training up some of their CBRN personnel how to do decon operations. And we have 65th Medical Brigade here also, working with how to do patient decon and dog decon during these operations. So to improve our readiness here, working with the ROK, since this is their host nation, we are learning how in real world situations, the barriers we have to get through, such as the language barrier, the types of equipment that they use, and the types of decon materials they use, and the practices that they use. So when we go into operations with them, we'll have a much better understanding of what they expect from us and what we need from them. What I've learned so far is the ROK are very go-getter type individuals. They love to put the mission first. They're very detail-orientated and very, very organized. They are extremely professional in what they do. I have learned that there is a lot of language barriers. Communicating with them can be very difficult. This is where the Katusas have a huge role in helping us in our joint relationship.
As far as your U.S. personnel, what does this mean to them to get this type of hands-on training?
Oh, so far what I've seen, they've loved it. They've never been able to work with the ROK hand-in-hand like this before, so they're seeing what the personnel are like, and they get to see their equipment and how they do their missions. I think it's a broadening experience for them to see how professional the ROK are. They're very dedicated and their equipment is pretty prestigious. With the Fight Tonight motto, what this training allows us to do is, in the instance where we do have to go to war and we have to fight tonight, we understand what the ROK need from us and what we need from them to go to battle at any time.
Cujo 5-1, this is Star.